wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LEGO creator sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Space Shuttle Explorer enables daring adventurers to fly through the unknown on an exciting mission to Mars. Once you've landed, you can search for alien life with a robotic arm before heading back to the moon to set up shop. It encourages STEM skills and includes a satellite with fold-out wings. However, it comes with only one minifigure. At number 9, this Robo 3-in-1 serves as an excellent counterpart to other futuristic style models and features a rotating body and head and posable arms with working claw. A great option for beginners, this approachable choice can also be turned into a robot dog and a bird. It includes a glowing light brick and is an affordable choice, but the tracks come loose easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list, 2 seafaring minifigures watch over the coast at cozy Lighthouse Point, an oceanside retreat that provides endless playtime opportunities. You can rearrange the keeper's cottage into various modes and decide how best to orient the cheerful orca whale. It offers a straightforward assembly and the light gives off a warm amber glow. However, note that the tower railing can't hold figurines. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO creator sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for outdoorsy types, Lakeside Lodge is a medium-sized kit that presents an engaging challenge and all the pleasures of mountain life. When you've finished with your pastoral paradise, you can repurpose it into an observatory to peer at the stars. It includes a curious moose, and the cabin opens to reveal the interior, but this one is too simple for older kids. Moving up our list to number 6. Relive the summer of '62 with the Volkswagen camper van, which offers period-perfect details, such as a lava lamp and a split safari windshield. This blast from the past contains more than 1,300 parts and is great for fans who have just reached driving age. It boasts the iconic pop-up roof and a 4-cylinder boxer engine. However, the wheels don't actually roll. Halfway up our list at number 5, Modular Family Villa provides hours of building bliss with plenty of familiar features and a construction plan that's relatively easy to follow. This pick is especially rewarding if your child likes to play house, and it can also be converted into a golf hotel or a summer home. It includes a garden area with a tree and an open-top car with working headlights, but the windows and doors detach too easily. At number 4, budding entrepreneurs will enjoy the prospect of serving up sandwiches at the corner deli, which includes a cash register that's perfect for role-playing. Once you're ready to close up shop, it can also be used to form a flower store or a pleasant townhouse. It features a vibrant striped awning and 2 opening service hatches. It complements other sets well. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, build a fully functional fairground ride with this award-winning roller coaster set, which is equipped with 2 trains that you can send up the chain lift hill before they hurtle down the track. Included are 12 minifigures, a ticket booth, and a cotton candy cart. It boasts a covered boarding station and stands 20 inches tall. A motorized upgrade is also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO creator sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Francophiles will delight in the intricacies of the bustling Parisian restaurant. Whether you'd like to help the chef carve a turkey in the kitchen, dine al fresco on the terrace, or head upstairs to the artist's studio, there's plenty to do at this elaborate establishment. It includes a menu sign for outside and well over 2,000 pieces. It's a rewarding and entertaining build. And taking the top spot on our list, aspiring city planners will appreciate the wealth of detail packed into the assembly square, where more than 4,000 components come together. The resulting miniature metropolis bursts with hidden surprises, an array of shops, charming characters, and even a pet chihuahua. It includes 8 minifigures and precise and helpful instructions. It measures over a foot high. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO creator sets, or simply click beneath this video.